In this tutorial, I will show you how you can take a screenshot using Selenium, so you can do this. Screenshot saved. And here it is in the screenshots folder. So if you want to do this, you have to import these classes. Output type take screenshot for screenshot purposes. WebDriver and Chrome driver for opening the web page. And we also have to import Java classes related to file, IO exception files, and paths. Okay. So first step is setting up the Chrome driver. And then after that, we will navigate to the page that we want to take the screenshot of. And then we will take the screenshot by using the take screenshot class. Create a new object, call it TS, and then cast the driver as a take screenshot. Then we will create a new file object called source, and then ts take screenshot dot screenshot as output type dot file. So you want the output type to be a file. Then you will define the destination path. So for my case, it's in this particular path, followed by also the file name. Okay, so you can change this according to what you want. Then you will save the file by using files.copy and then source.toPath. Then the next argument is paths.getPath. And then we will system out print line to say that screenshot was saved to this particular path that you indicated earlier on. So after that, it's just a catch block to catch any exceptions, and then finally you want to quit the driver, quit the browser using driver.quit. Okay, so that's it.